Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a green statue. And here are all of the materials that we will use in making it. Begin by placing 7 lime concrete extending up from the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Extend right 1, up 1, right 2, up by 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then extend left by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, left 1. Down by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1. Left by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up by 2, 1, 2, and then right by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to come back to this block, but we want to take the end of this row here, extend it up and down 1, and then extend those blocks left by 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And then extend this middle block here left by 2 as well. 1, 2. It wants to look like the number 3. That's moving really fast, these are speed lines. Anyway, extending back all the way over to where we were building previously, we want to take this block and go up 1, right 1, and then up by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, up, right, up, and then right by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 1, right by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 1, and then right by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We then want to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, and then down by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then want to go right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, and then right by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then down by 2, 1, 2. And then we are going to go left by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come all the way over to the end of this row again, and we want to extend the end of the row up 1, down 1, and then extend those blocks to the right by 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then take the middle block here and extend right by 2, 1, 2, and here we have a backwards 3 with speed lines. Anyway, coming all the way back over to the left-hand side here, we want to go up by 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up by 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then left, up, left by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down by 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then extend right 2, 1, 2, and then down 1, and then right 1, then extend all the way down to the ground, just like this. Once you hit the ground, extend to the left by 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then extend to the left by 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then extend down to the ground, and then join to the left. You will be left with a shape that should look like this. Believe it or not, that is the hardest part of the statue complete. We're now going to work on the head. Begin by placing a lime concrete on top of the left and right sides of the center row of lime concrete at the top of the statue. Place black concrete in between them, and then place a row of 3 black concrete on the left and right sides. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Place a lime concrete on top of each one of those third blocks and join them together in the center using black concrete. Place lime concrete on top of that entire row. Then, going from left to right on top of this, place a white concrete, black, white, lime, white, black, white. And then repeat that row one more time. Like this. We then want to add a layer of black concrete directly behind the empty space that we have left in the middle of the head. This is of course the mouth and it's open. We then want to place dripstone underneath the top row of the mouth like this, and on the bottom row of the mouth like this. Red concrete in front of the three middle black concretes that we have right in the center of the mouth. Then we're going to extend the red concrete out a row, down a row, out a row, and then down 2 rows, 1, 2, and then take the middle block and extend it an additional row down. With this complete, we can now work on filling the actual statue in and making it 3D. This is incredibly simple. We're going to start off by simply just filling in inside of the shape that we made at the start of the video. It is completely made out of lime concrete, just color in the lines. This is what we should end up with, and to make it 3D, we simply come to the back of the statue, we take the entire outline and extend it backwards by 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and then we will fill it in exactly how we did the front. Now that we have the outline extended 3 rows backwards, we can just fill the middle of it in. This somehow looks creepier than the front. And once it's all filled in, you will end up with a nice completed statue. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please do remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.